Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. I am so excited. They are here. So, we have cheesy chicken and vegetable pasta primavera. So, I'm going to be making cheesy chicken. My sister, I just talked to my sister who's also a consultant under me. She tried the vegetable pasta primavera and she said that they absolutely loved it. So I'm going to be trying this in a couple days. We just had pasta last night, so tonight I'm going to do the cheesy chicken. I'm going to walk you guys through it. I've read the package. This is so easy, you guys. I'm getting more of these, so I'm getting online and I'm going to buy several of these without even tasting them because I know that they're really good. So I will walk you through this one, but the reason I'm doing this is how easy it is. So, the instructions, how to refresh. Super easy. Oh my gosh. Open pouch, remove oxygen absorber. Pour contents into a medium-sized container. Add 2.5 cups boiling water. Stir well and cover. Let stand for 10 minutes. Uncover, stir again, and serve. Oh my gosh. This, I'm hoping we like it. I'm sure we will. We like all of the Thrive food. But oh my gosh, when we get home late sometime and we are like, oh, what do we want to eat? What do we want to eat? Oh, it's too late. It's too late for a meal or, to make a good meal. This is going to change everything, you guys. So I'm really excited. Now I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. What it says though, is it says enjoy cheesy rice, succulent chicken and vegetables as delicious as garden fresh. Each bite tastes like home, bringing you right back to mama's dinner table. Is that cool or what? Experience easy meals with premium freeze-dried ingredients. No need to compromise convenience for nutrition or taste. With Thrive Life, you can have it all. So the difference between this and the meals that they had, I've never tried the other meals. That was right before I started, and I've been a consultant for a year now. I understand that they were not shelf stable for, I think it was only 2 years. This right here, that says shelf life 20 years. Optimal shelf life 20 years, you guys. This is amazing. It also says, I can barely read it, there's iron, it's got potassium, good source of potassium, good source of iron, and an excellent source of calcium. Okay, so, and then this one, now that one, somebody asked me if they were gluten-free. I don't know a lot about gluten. I know this has pasta in it, so this is probably not gluten-free. I'm not sure if the rice is gluten-free. You guys can help me with that. And this says the same thing. This says potassium, iron, calcium, good source, optimal life, 20 years. And let me just read this. It's pretty much the same thing. You just pour 2 cups of water, stir well, let stand, and then you serve it. That's it. So this one says, enjoy a little trip to Italy with the springtime mix of vibrant vegetables, delectable noodles, and savory spices. No plane ticket necessary. I love it. I just love it. So they're both 3 servings, and I'm gonna tell you, I know me and my husband, especially my husband, eats more than me, but I know that if it says 3 servings, it probably is gonna be good for 2 servings for us. I don't know, we'll see. It might surprise me. So the box or the bag on here for the whole thing is 610 calories with the pasta. So this one with the cheesy chicken is 1140. Each serving is 380 calories on this one, and this one's only 200 calories on this one. So like I said in the video where I showed these to you guys, or the picture of them, if you're one person, you can make this and freeze it. So my sister said that it looked like when they did the pasta. It's only her and her husband. They didn't make the whole package. They only made half of it, and she absolutely loved it. So I guess that's something that you can do too. You don't have to make the whole package at once. You can make half of it. I think what I would do is I would freeze it. I would put it in a food saver bag and portion it out for 3 servings, put the other 2 in the freezer, heat them up in the microwave or a saute pan, and do it that way. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm really excited. So we're gonna have cheesy chicken tonight, and it says it's with white rice, white chicken meat, green beans, mushrooms, and cheese sauce. It sounds amazing. Let me just tell you the vegetable pasta primavera. The vegetables, it comes with vegetables with pasta noodles in a marinara sauce. So this is kind of what we had last night with my own sauce that I made. But these are going to be so convenient. Think about camping, long-term food storage. I mean, they are vacuum packed really, really well. But think of how they'll store in like a container. Be super easy, you guys. Super, super easy. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I have measured out 2.5 cups of water, and I'm gonna cheat a little bit because we are gonna put this in. Oh, this is hard. My wrists are not working, you guys. Okay, we're putting that in there, turning it on, and we're gonna let it boil. Meanwhile, we are going to open this package, and can't do this one-handed, but do you guys see this right here? I'm just going to tear this at both, see it opens at both ends, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so got it torn. I can smell it already. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, that smells really good. Look at all the food in there. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I need to find, oh, that looks so good. Okay, so we are going to just measure or dump this in here, and we're going to look for, oh, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to look for the oxygen packet, remove this. Look at how good that looks, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I have tried the mushrooms, and I love the mushrooms. I have not tried the rice. I do have the rice, and I've tried the green beans. Okay, there we go. Here is our water. We're going to wait for that to boil. Okay, so you guys see the cheese in there? This is the cheese right there. That is the cheese. This is really cool. Let me get a spoon. Okay, one more thing. Like my sister said, she only used half the packet, so I'm not sure how she did that. I guess she just measured half of everything. But it does have, it's a Mylar bag, so it does have a little zipper in there so that you can reclose this. So it will reclose if you don't use the whole thing. So I'm gonna have to try that eventually. Excuse me, not with this one, because we are going to try this whole thing. Look at that. Okay, let's mix it all up in there. So you can see the mushrooms, you see the rice. There's the chicken. There's chicken right there. Okay, so the water is boiled. So we are just going to pour this in here. 2.5 cups, boiling water. Okay, I'm gonna mix that in. Oh, that smells so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just mix that in really good. Get it all covered. This looks, oh, smells so good. So good. It's got like a, almost like a smoky, a hint of smoky seasoning to it. Oh, that smells so good. Look at its, okay. I have to cover this, but look at how it's refreshing right away. Look at that. Okay, I am going to cover this, and we're going to wait 10 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so I just want to show you guys, we're still waiting. I think we have 3 minutes left, but I have free time, so I went ahead and I made some Italian type salads, and I'm going to be cutting a little watermelon right now while we wait for our food to be done. Gives me time. Okay, you guys, here we are. I have switched dishes so that I can serve it. You have the green beans, chunks of chicken. The rice is very, very good. Look at that. The mushrooms, there's a mushroom right there. Whole mushroom, doesn't dissolve. Look at the chunks of chicken. Look at that. So I put salt and pepper in here. I can think of a myriad of ways. This to me is a base recipe. The possibilities are endless. I think the next time I will be adding some onions, some red bell pepper, some sour cream powder, some Parmesan cheese, the Thrive Parmesan cheese, even maybe some cheddar cheese, but definitely the Parmesan cheese. It's got like a smoky flavor to it. It is really, really good. You can even add some more chicken to it. If you have the seasoned chicken or the chicken, the chopped chicken, you can add that to it. Look at that. So as it cools, it's thickening, but look at the pieces of chicken. And this chicken is so good, you guys. If you have not tried Thrive Food, please try one of these packets. I think it's actually 3 servings. I think the serving portion is right on. The chunks of chicken are right on. The pieces of green beans are really good. It looks garden fresh. It tastes garden fresh. It is absolutely amazing. Amazing. So I am going to dish this out, and then we'll get my husband's opinion, okay? Look at that. So I am just going to try this. Okay, I am trying this. So I've already tasted it, but I'm going to taste it on camera. So good. I've got it right on my phone.
That's fine. You just it on your phone.
This is so good, you guys. I really, really like this. Really like this. Like I said, some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, some onion. The possibilities are endless. You can add whatever you want for this, but the base is, I mean, it's good on its own. I think that you can do a lot of things to make it even to stretch it, to make it an even bigger meal. But it's perfectly fine on its own. It's going to be perfect for when we come home late at night and we have nothing planned to eat, since it only takes 10 minutes. So super easy. Look at that. Super, this is going to fill me up. Very, very easy. Yeah, I like this, guys. Very good. Can't wait to try the other one. Okay, so we are going to get my husband's opinion. Not going to get him on camera. Honest opinion. Has like a smoky flavor to it, huh?
Sure.
What do you think?
Tastes good.
Like it?
Yeah.
Really, really easy to put together. 10 minutes and it was done.
Easy.
Super easy.
Sounds easy, tastes good. Sounds good to me.
Awesome. Okay, you guys. So, I made the salads and we've got watermelon to go with it. Super, super easy. 10 minutes and it's done. And we've got 2 full bowls of food. Thanks for watching. My link, if you guys want to try this, is in the description box. If you want to email me with any questions, my email is thecanningnana@gmail.com. I'm happy to answer any questions. Happy to help you guys order. You can become a customer. Becoming a customer is absolutely free. If you do order on delivery. Please don't pay full retail. Delivery service is really easy. There is no obligation. You're not into a subscription club where you get it every single month. That's totally up to you, but you do save 15% every time you order on delivery. You can go ahead and eat, babe. It's okay. And on the specials, you save even more because every month we have specials. We have a special pack, and we have specials that are 20, 25, 30, 35% off sometime. So, and then you don't want to miss our Black Friday sale coming up in November. I cannot wait for that. So, I hope you guys try these. They're the only two that are available right now are the cheesy chicken and then the pasta primavera. But the other ones will be coming out soon, and I will be trying each one of those for you guys. So the pasta primavera, I will be trying very, very soon. Thanks for watching, you guys. The word of the day is Thrive Life Meal. So comment the word of the day. Please make sure that you're subscribed and like this video, and please share it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you soon.